Thank God it's Friday. Not just saying, ne weather no send is jane ho. So protect kakra ne ade no. I'm sorry na ye den. Nge easy odofo. When you can mo say my say that. Hey, what dey be na wasa wo daddy do ho na eja. Juma so ma ho. Na o ma o so. Me mo ache mo akwa aba mra Badwam Ahosepe. Jumedie so world of entertainment. Dey chegu dey fata oni no sumu. Dan dey na ye dey be sumu. Adiche bia the baby for forever sumu. So be ya be updated with Ghana entertainment industry no. And it's na Ghana's entertainment prophet nkwala maame. But na see so sensem no. Say ehwiegu anesa. Me the Sandra Oheme Ametiwa. Adwuma nyame Adom entertainment ame Ghana for chemo.
When you start sending no. Where the jayo or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy is going 2 times a guy. Guy Sam. And I'm a saka ho kese ye nko straight to nkomo no. Wo share Adom TV, ye nwuma pa ye go so di. Say ye gina honom for Ghana culture, mamre ni amane, ye gina honom for Ghana mpuntu nti no. Dane de nyina ye de bi fofo so mo. E wo ye fidi kese so. Na me bre ya ba do nya wo ho kra. O ye fie ni pan kasa. Wa ba hada, wata aba kra. Ti abusua ye fanse mo nhia the one and only Badwam movie producer, director, Degraft. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, I have I'm Adom. Let me say who the Otia now the Degraft ehu.
Some museum.
Me bra penino. Me bra penino ehu because you know you it's like you're not aging.
Really?
Oh yes.
But that's it. So because I never say I say we are nice kakra.
Oh, anya kakra who afa pa.
Oh, but
that's say we are we I only are.
Hey, Sandy.
I didn't bra penino we.
Oh, pass my me.
I so who for a nice man.
Okay. Museum who's there?
One my dear I like about you. Even though the industry is not standing well, but then now you are producing. Are you in Cran Show?
Yeah, Jumano, say some of us know a passion. And you know, and we've come too far to, go back. Because we've come too far about equipment, production, cars, those things, idea, money, and why invest into it. So now, no one say Adom TV I set you up with.
Yeah.
And say, okay, say who judge Jumana could more for. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Difficult.
Difficult.
I want to capital question.
Yeah.
Into the other day, I also saw a pie and pie boy, bonus and Compombuana, Ghana movie industry, development being brim. Now, your investment, I know, and your because you have a full be I dare to no more cabbage, or my offer.
Yeah.
We know yes, you'll be cooking another way, who I see or more electricals. May co producers in the brain electricals no way.
Or my Jumano.
A Juman is scaling him. Is a crap when you find the movie of Ghana. What can I say?
Yeah, no, so I know they are aware, say P, not just a baby nature. Because at the end of the day, no profits.
Profits.
You know, only be.
Into now, a bomb by say, Yura, JDM, one baby. Nanka, say some development, and I say, there's some allocated some funds. Most producers are more good and more competent. Kabebwa. Into your trading, on the way to my end, the bomb.
Well, talking of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, no, so Omeki appointments be. That means he cares about the creative arts because Omeki appointment be a Kafui Dankune, James Gardner, and I think some of that creative arts no. Yeah. But a lot of people had concerns when that appointment came out. From the comment section, a lot of people had a lot of concerns and now Omubisa say, especially James, because he's not a producer.
Oh, I heard the I'm say ono nim Cynthia oyi no. But me can say James is on making some impact. Now Ankoye say it's just any appointment. On a kafunya. Because on say industry the way it here no say your mouth position means going to me I'm making some difference. Like some making. Ejuma ye can want me here. I flew Jackie Kalsum. Enemy crew from Ghana to France.
Whoa.
Imagine what I'm telling you. Crew nipa me no mo 13.
And how do you be a call France go chasing?
Imagine.
Oh wow, if I'm a monster man, and I talk about the boy cry, not to talk of France. Oh amazing.
Buy an internet so that I'm saying that BBC international people were because Nana Yeboah ye videos say on one go Dubai no conference near there. Nana Yeboah so account.
Oh, nice.
And you know, it was a great job. Men can say it's unprecedented, but it's one of the few productions won't say Ghanaian producer be say
or the crew in there
because it's very expensive.
Yes.
Me very sure say me yes age my way no say Adom TV one so one can because imagine say na mo tweet mo telenovela.
Yeah.
Na mo de abe share 9 p.m. say na mo tweet that kind of way no. Is motivating. What I say? Unlike man say other people are more concentration yan say they be no say telenovela no kwa no ba no. E be dey na yen local producers yetumi aden yetumi akoyenim. And you know project ya no extra say we have your Ghana ho odo you say Ghana movie industry na ekonenim.
Oh yes.
And yes say we ba ko jama say why ordinary skate be I don't know it doesn't put us on the diaspora.
Oh nah. So they release stress.
Exactly. And I'm saying this because say who ya my opposition look at some of these things you move be cry ya my appointments no we've done.
Okay.
Now also no with what you have money now people could say okay oh me we buy no or yes or the development yeah and the people have not really seen what we are doing but me very sure say at the end of time I don't be you know they will know the investments in this job that I actually brought.
Or say the graph there what you might I mean talking of executive producer Timmy Sheka. It's interesting. I mean, what's that easy now? Are you mention or canoe there? Now, what's me Sheka production? That means that you have the job at heart, which is amazing. But where James Gardner, where a friendly notice we brought pen your way in dash or born home day or support or pansy as select so ball home but at least also making impact. Now creative arts for us who so you're far on why you may be now to American Soldier. My bit background of the story because any France near the idea we can't wait.
American Soldier the say is a must-watch content. Me very sure say if you want home from Accra, if you want to say Nana Yeboah ko France or videos near Jackie ni Kasum no more videos near idea of France. It's been like I think 2 years now. Okay. And Obia especially on person mo share again you see a simple detective story you started from Ghana. That time na and Sophie. Okay. French ambassador na she was here. Okay. Into no nene Kasai. She was even part of the whole job. And me detective and me investigating Jackie Nukunua or fraud man. Like brother fraud man he was married to her because of the never paying inheritance or the man. And you know some member no page man I say oba it was kebi out and exactly. And me say me investigate na me gun it down. No, it's also a say me tell all means no so ape get behind I will share me side also investigating me. Oh I don't know. And you know me cost na case nearby and na say me feel jack that into na say my falling in love. Into obi am ko eduma me ko na fi dey. Akodi odo. Bibia akosi. Na ko nyi so obere. Wow.
You got to know because story never saw mo share. Never saw mo share. You know you heard trailer we say American Soldier. In chair because you trailer and brebe to us.
Investigator Bia, your money case, say one shishum. Case never Cassandra Kuno.
It's been a while, I've not been seeing you around this area.
Ejuma yeni muno, and Wobenya or Dosrum Kubi, and Ma or Bawari for or Bar Cassandra. Now was Sa Nyankufe muno. The baby say, a yen shra, and now say, a yen no me. Where dear, Yasem Sebe. American Soldier, Kasum Scenario, Jackie Apia, Degraft Yeboah, Nana Yeboah, any afufro bebre kahon, and this has siniwa wasui ebro. Yes, Shasie, Ejuada, 21st July 2025, 9 p.m. Ewa Adom TV so American Soldier. Ewa tiasefo asasi isu, edi pa ne betimi ama wabuto yem. Na sama weni aje. Sika ahunya de enamfo ebusia anase woti ase na wotumi koba we asembisa ehia no yi nenso ebosi enya abotre ni etumi yi ano.
I'm one of the new soldiers who were recruited last 2 weeks.
American Soldier.
He has a pregnant woman.
What do you say? You're pregnant with a woman in Ghana?
Me? He lied!
Jake, a investigator bia, your money case, say one shishum. Case na fa Cassandra Kunuhu.
It's been a while. I've not been seeing you around this area.
Ejuma ye ni mu no ene wo benya wo dosronko bi ema wo ba warefo oba Cassandra na wo sa nyankofa yi mu no ebebusa se eye nsura anase eye nome we die ya sem sebe American soldier Kasum Scenario Jackie Apia Degraft Yeboah Nana Yeboah eni afoforo bebre ka ho ene de saa sini wa waso yi ebrel ye hyase ejuada 21st July 2025 9 p.m. Ewa Adom TV so American Soldier.
I must watch. Nyame Adom Ejuade da yenim ya 9 p.m. Adom TV dey support industry from Mercy see do production ye yi na hwie bia na afi 9 p.m. so because so sa iti ba show final words to Adofo otimi se san ho otimi ye gay na just na no sini ba go say na ye gay no you just so one ring te wo yi na wo twa no sa oh great job
Nyango pon abo minya sa we no a chede ni tina ye de sasa yan wo sa
o sasa you are very talented
ejuma yes we I don't know
that's nice
meka say Ghana for yenso ye die ni normally say opportunity ne ba na say munya yen die say ya se na ya mo so abrofo die ni mu no mun so musa because you say osie tia pro a e wa na ede otafo mamu nyiye mana mo ma yen nye say oh we Ghana die nti no content no me very sure so bia wo hwe wo fie bia no nani beje ho a bit of a warrior inseminate Gen Z youth kind of a thing,
you know, daily life
and you know mun so mu na mo the feeling and cost na yen produce more for you just like the way am here and me pese me da nkofo bi ase Mr. Gerard Bonsu our Kasapreko.
Okay.
The man has been very resourceful to me Kasapreko. Waboa me pa and me da Adom TV so ase. Adom TV dey nyame hia mo pa from Mr. Abu to Pakusi Yakom to Kobe Shen. Obia like you guys have been amazing since I started my industry jobs way. Me can send am so yemu. So me Degraft mo. I mean it's marvelous. Into no nyame hia mo. Na mo nkoso mo mboa Ghana industry.
Amen.
Because tell me kana ya yedim.
Yes.
And I hear them also encourage.
Okay. But that Sifi said and sunya da je by me. Sure say me penny for so asedenim crash on. Continue Degraft high hope. What I see I know who so ya for what picture ne?
Me try picture.
Patch point ya kwani mo ko twa for me. E ti Degraft say that Sifi say unya mbre ba ye de besinti e kan one more time, American Soldier trailer no na minja me bra panyi kwa me twa me ho abasisia.